everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today, in this very short video, I will show you how to convert an image from daytime to sunset time. So guys, let's rock and roll. I have opened image I downloaded from Adobe Stock free collection. And what I will do first, I will click on Edit menu, and from here I will click on Sky Replacement, just like that. Photoshop will display the sky replacement workspace, and you notice already Photoshop exchange our original sky with the sky I used the last time when I was working with the sky replacement workspace, just like that. Now I would like to change this sky. What I will do, I will click on this looking down arrow, and here guys we have three different libraries with three different types of skies available for us, because we would like to because we are working on converting our daytime to sunset time. I will click on this arrow to expand my and yours sunset library. Here we have all sunsets available for us. Before I will I will select any other sky, I would like to bring your attention to this. You can use default sky replacement skies, or you can use your own skies. To do so, to use your own sky, simply click on plus icon, navigate to the sky you would like to use, and just like that, Photoshop will bring this sky to sky replacement workspace library, and voila, you're ready to go. I would like today to click on this sky. I would like to select this sky and look at this. This is a very beautiful sky for sunset. After I specify the sky I would like to use, Photoshop right away exchange the sky from our image to the sky I have selected. Now I can adjust my new sky. First of all, what I would like to do, I would like to move Fade H slider to the right, to the left, I'm sorry, just like that, and I will move the Shift H slider to the right. Now I have very beautiful transition between my new sky and my original image, all those beautiful buildings. You can adjust the brightness of your new sky just like that. You can make it brighter or darker, it's up to you. Somewhere my value for brightness is 11 and I'm happy with it. Also, guys, don't forget that you can play with size of your sky. You can make it bigger, just like that. Look, completely different story, and actually I like it more. Or you can scale size of your sky down. So when you will move your slider to the left, pay attention to all borders of your new sky. So see, we clearly can see our old sky behind our new sky. So what I will do, I will scale size up of my new sky. Oh my God, I love it, I love it, I love it. After we happy with our sky, of course, we can adjust for a ground part of our image as well, but I will be not doing this, and I will explain why just in a second. Next step I would like to bring your attention is output. I specified output to new layers, and I will show you why just in a second. After we happy with everything in our sky, in our new sky, I will click OK, just like that, and voila, look at this. Photoshop creates a new group, a new folder, you can name it as you like, with all layers in our new sky. You can turn entire folder off, and you can see that when I turn new sky replacement group visibility off, we can see that Photoshop didn't exchange our sky. So Photoshop didn't apply any permanent changes to our image, and this is I love a lot. So let me bring back visibility of our new sky. You can see that in sky replacement groups we have all layers. All those layers are adjustable. You can adjust them all or separate. You can turn a preview of each layer separately, just like that. Look at this. What I will do, I will click on a foreground color layer, and I will adjust curves just like that. I will bring a little bit more drama to my image. Look at this, how beautiful is it? And now I will close my sky replacement group. So this is before and this is after so far. We already can see dramatic changes, dramatic change. Now, next step will be, I will click on a background layer to select it, and I will apply adjustment layer above my original background layer. If you don't have opened adjustment panel, you can do it by clicking on window, and here you will need to click on adjustments, and Photoshop will open adjustments panel for you. From here, I will click on color lookup adjustment, and just like that, Photoshop creates a separate layer, separate adjustment layer on top of my background layer, but below sky replacement group layer, just like that. And in properties panel, by the way, if you don't have a properties panel opened, you can do it by clicking on window, and from here you will need to click on properties. So from here I will click on night from day, just like that, guys, just like that. And again, the best part working with adjustments now is that Photoshop creates adjustment as a separate layer. I can turn this layer or preview of this layer off at any time. I can adjust this layer as any other layer. What I will do, I will switch blend mode to, let's see, to screen. Let's preview. This is before and this is after. Yes, now we have kind of very smooth transition, beautiful transition between our original image and our sky. Next step will be, I will click on sky replacement group layer to select this layer, and I will click on color lookup one more time, and I will switch, let's see, late sunset, oh my god, or a moonlight, or a night from day. It's up to you guys. Remember that all layers, all adjustment layers are adjustable. So let's try late sunset, and we will switch blend mode to, let's see, to soft light, and also we will bring opacity value of this layer down, just like that. Let me turn off all our new layers. This is our original image, daytime, I'm sorry, and this is our image so far. This is our sunset. Guys, remember that you can bring as much drama, sunset drama to your image as you like. You can change color of your image. You can do whatever you like. It's up to you. I'm showing you my way. Now what I would like to do, let's see, I will click on a color lookup adjustment one more time. Photoshop creates a new adjustment layer, and I will click on night from day. Why? Because I would like to polish my sunset. I would like to bring everything in one beautiful scenery. And I will bring opacity value down right away. And this is, guys, our sunset, just like that. Let me show you one more time. This is before and this is after. Very easy. You can adjust anything at any time. You also, I mention this all the time, but I think it's worth to repeat today as well. Save your file as Photoshop file before you will merge all layers, because just in case, and I have the situation all the time, if you will want to adjust your image later on, if you would like to add something to this image or remove something from this image tomorrow or 10 years from today, your Photoshop file will still have all your layers. But when you will merge all your layers, it will be impossible to adjust every single layer after that. So keep it in mind. Before you will merge your document, before you will merge your layers, save this file as Photoshop file. What I would like to do, and see, I change my mind right away. I will bring opacity value to a little bit down, more than I did it previously. So my opacity value for the last adjustment layer is 30% now, and I'm happy. After I saved my document as Photoshop file, I will merge all visible layer. You can flatten image or merge visible. It's up to you. Let me duplicate this layer just to show you. And what I will do, I will go and click on filter menu. From here, I will click on camera raw filter. And here, guys, you can adjust your image as you want. What I would like to do, I would like to increase highlights, add a little bit more drama, moving my contrast slider to the right. I will bring a little bit more drama, moving my blacks slider to the left, and I will move my shadow slider to the right, just like that. Look at this. And the last step, it's optional, but I would like to show this option as well. If you will click on browse profiles, you will be redirected to profiles library, default camera raw libraries. You can expand any library, and you can hover your mouse over any of these profiles to preview if you like any. Example, let's see. I like kind of, let's see, modern 08. I will click on this profile to select it, and right away camera raw will display amount slider for me. Amount slider are responsible for how much this profile will be applied to your image. You can specify amount value to 200 or 0. Obviously 0 will apply, no applied profile will be visible. 200% it's maximum. So I would like to move this slider. I would like to specify amount value about 9, and voila. This is a before and this is after. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you learn something from this tutorial, please let me know. Please create something after this video and share with me. I cannot wait to see what you will create. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.